Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you an exciting thing. By the way, I just got back to school. That noise over there was my brother's sound. And look what I just got from my car lift. Look, a fidget spinner. This is very addicting because, you can spin with it like this. See this? See, you can spin with it. Oh, I'm sorry about that. I'm only in 5% because I wanted to make a quick video. And by the way, here's another exciting thing. Um, this oh, wait, okay, wait, guys. I'm just gonna turn this off. There, turned it off. Wait. Now, look how many, look how many Pokemon cards I have. You know, Pokemons are so addicting. Zapdos, which is a legendary, an energy card, a thunder card, a clank card, a Skarmory card, an Alolan Pack Skarmory card, a Evosoda trainer card, the TCG player code, the Beedrill, the Doduo, the energy card, the Leaf energy card, some Professor's letter, then a Raichu and a Hunter, then the green, the energy, the psychic energy, and then the Magnemite, the Slowbro Spirit Link, the energy card of the Leaf. So for the Beedrill, Gold Duck here. I'm low in battery. Here is the green thingy again. The Clink. It's real. All of them are real. Carablast, which is I got from the bet. A Mewtwo. Yup. A Quagsire from my friend, and an Alolan Diglett. By the way, I'm getting next Monday an Alolan Grimer. And by the way, guys, I forgot to tell you. I was gonna upload before the view of the my cell phone, but I forgot that I have to upload another prank, two pranks from my Roblox videos. So I'm sorry about that, but I'm gonna post it maybe later or yeah. Okay, that's all, guys. I'm low bat. So bye.